Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to block all website except one in Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To block all websites except one in Windows 10 computer, click on search, type control panel. Now click on control panel. Here view by category is selected by default. Click on the drop down menu here and select large icon. Here you will find internet options. Just click on internet options. Now click on connections tab. Below you will find local area network setting. Just click on LAN settings button. Here automatically detect settings is selected. No need to do anything here. Just you will focus on proxy server. Just click on checkbox here. Now here type the address of loopback 127.0.0.1 and port will be 80. Now click on advanced. 127.0.0.1 and port 80 means all website will block. Now you will set the exception here at one or more than one website. I am typing YouTube as because I don't want to block YouTube. youtube.com. Then below you will find use semicolon to separate entries. Just use semicolon. Now type www.youtube.com. If you want to add Google, just type semicolon and then space google.com. Again semicolon and then www.google.com. Okay, I have set exception for two websites only. One is YouTube and another one is Google. Except these two websites, all other websites are blocked in my Windows 10 computer. Okay, now click on OK. Now click OK here and click OK. Now I'm going to test. Open browser. Now type google.com. Look, I can easily browse google.com, but if I type YouTube, look, I can easily browse youtube.com. If I want Facebook, look, I cannot browse facebook.com. or if I want to browse Twitter, twitter.com. Look, I cannot browse twitter.com also. This is the easiest way to block all websites except one in Windows 10 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.